Hello everybody. Yeah, I'm getting some work done. So check it out. Let's see what's going on. Hey, so getting some work done down here in the basement. I know it's been a while since I did anything down here, but I have been working and I have been getting some things done. So check it out. So right here, as you can see, I got some trim boards for the door jambs that I got painted. Yeah, need to do some more of that. And let's walk through here. Man, this place is a mess. It is ridiculous. I so need to clean it up. But let's get here. So look at that. Flooring getting done. I've got one more strip to put down there and then hit the landing. So yeah, so we need to get some of that stuff done as well, so we can start putting trim up and all that good stuff here in the hallway. I didn't record any of that because I mean it's kind of boring, and I think I've recorded like putting down flooring before and kind of how this works, the floating floor. So anyway, it's time to get to work. Hey, all right, so it is Saturday. Getting quite a bit of work done. Wanted to give a shout out to my oldest daughter. Her birthday is today, so she's in Oklahoma doing some gambling. But just wanted to say happy birthday. So let's take a look and see what we got accomplished. All right, so as you can see, all the flooring has been installed. It's all done. Got the landing here. Put down the little kind of a transition strip thing there. Still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with the stairs and stuff. That'll be coming later. But got my doorways trimmed out. A little bit of finish work still needs to be done, but that's done. And then the cellar doors over here, got those trimmed out as well, except for that top piece right there. I had to paint another piece, but so anyway, got quite a bit accomplished, so pretty happy about that. So I know this is kind of a shorter type video, but we had snow, we had ice. It's all kind of melted, as you can see. But you know, like I said, you know, in my life in Missouri here, you know, things seem to go wrong at the most inopportune times. So my dryer, which I've been fighting with that thing for a couple of years now, and I've just been buying parts like just to keep it going. But you know, there's something wrong with the heating, you know, element system, and I'm done with it, you know. And so a relative had a washer and dryer that they're not going to need anymore, so went to their apartment, moved it out, got it here. There's the old dryer and the washer there, but got it inside, got it all hooked up and everything. But you know, that takes time to do, you know, time away from working on other projects and, you know, doing other things. So, you know, these are the things that, you know, that happened to me. It is what it is. Got a new shower, walk-in shower installed at my parents' house where my mother lives. Had a deadline, had to get that done by the 9th of February this month. So I was happy that I got that done and finished. There's a little bit of painting and stuff that needs to be done, but shower's usable, so that's a good thing. Got a couple more projects to do over there as well, but my main focus is on the basement
because, as usual, life happens, changes, you know, happen. It is what it is. So, my nephew, soon to be nephew, I guess, whatever, he's my nephew. He was basically gonna need to come live with me and Cheyenne, which is fine. But he wasn't really gonna be here. I don't think he was gonna be here until like maybe the beginning of this month or like the middle of this month. And he ended up having to kind of move in almost at the beginning of January. So that's a pretty big change. We kind of weren't really prepared. He's got kind of a makeshift room right now, but we want to get him set up, you know, nicer. But we can't do that till we get moved down to the basement, which I'm still working on. So anyway, that kind of catches you up with everything that's going on. I know it had been a while since I'd put out a video, so wanted to kind of catch everybody up as to what was going on. But hey, that's life in Missouri. Have a good week.